Good morning. I'm Peter Burke, Senior Sales Manager for Affygility Solutions. I'm here with Dean Calhoun, President and CEO of Affygility. We're here to talk a little bit about our product, OEL Fastrac. So Dean, I wanted to ask you, can you tell us a little bit about OEL Fastrac?
Yes, Peter, thank you for asking. Great to see you again today. OEL Fastrac is a very simple way for biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies to get occupational exposure limit, or OEL monographs, and these monographs are also contain the acceptable daily exposure value. These monographs, we have currently over 1,000 of them. They're available for online purchase and instant download through our website, oelfastrac.com.
Now, regarding OEL Fastrac, a lot of times I noticed you mentioned that it does contain the OEL and the ADE. We do get requests quite frequently for a PDE. Now, from what I understand, they're not that different from an ADE. Is that correct? Can you explain that a little bit for me?
That is correct, Peter. If you look at the EMA guidance and health-based exposure limits for multi-product facilities, I believe it's on page 10. There's a very tiny footnote, footnote 4 down at the bottom of page 10, that says that ADEs and PDEs are effectively synonymous. That means whether you use the ADE equation, which is by the International Society of Pharmaceutical Engineers, or whether you use the PDE equation that is indicated in the EMA guidance document, the number should come out very close to the same number. So it's important to understand that, and again, that is a very common question that we get asked.
Now, again, with OEL Fastrac, you said that these were available in an online catalog. So when you're talking about that, can you tell us a little bit more on if I wanted to purchase a document from the online catalog, how might I go about doing that?
Well, that's a very simple process. You just go to our website, oelfastrac.com, and you browse, click on the button that says Online Catalog, and you can browse our catalog. Again, there's a listing of about a little over 1,000 compounds right now. You click on the compound name, it opens up a screen that describes the compound a little bit, and then over on the right hand side of the screen is a big green button that says Add to Cart. Once you fill up your shopping cart with the numbers or the number of compounds that you want, you can very simply click on Checkout, and then enter your credit card information, and then all your monographs will be downloaded in PDF format, and you'll have them instantaneously.
Be delivered directly to your inbox then?
That is correct.
Okay. That's pretty neat.
Oh, thank
pretty
you.
Neat product. So, and you said there's over 1,000 products in the catalog right now, and those are primarily made up of generic compounds or non-proprietary, is that right?
That is correct.
Okay, so do you also offer services for proprietary compounds?
Yes, we do. So if you have a compound that's still in development, either in the preclinical or clinical stages of development, you simply will end up starting by signing a non-disclosure agreement. Typically that will be required from your company, and then we'll get provided with the toxicology data that you have, and we can write a monograph within about a 2 to 4 week time period, depending
2 to 4
on
weeks. Okay.
Yeah, depending on our backlog.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Dean.
Thank you,
This was
Peter.
very informative.
Thank you, Peter. Have a great rest of the show.
Thank you.